nautical miles offshore to mid-lake until 11:45 p.m. At 11:06 p.m., a strong thunderstorm was located 20 nautical miles southeast of Wind Point, moving southeast at 20 knots. Hazard, wind gusts to 40 knots and small hail. Source, radar. Impact, small craft could be damaged and briefly higher winds and suddenly higher waves. The strong thunderstorm will remain over mainly open waters. Move to safe harbor immediately as gusty winds and high waves are expected. Frequent lightning is occurring with this storm. If caught on the open water, stay below deck if possible. Keep away from ungrounded metal objects.